I know it's been long I posted on my YouTube channel. Today we're making a delicious pot of Nigerian porridge beans. So let's just get straight into it. So here my beans is already washed and I had to put it on fire so it could cook, like more like parboiling my beans. And I'm doing parboiling, so I'm going to like wash it like 2 to 3 times. Reasons why I wash it 2 to 3 times is so it just to remove the dirt, I guess, like, because I don't know if you wash it sometimes you see some black water and there. So I like washing it like 2 to 3 times till it's clear. So here I've put in my beans on fire again to then cook fully. And here I'll be adding my plantain. The reason why I like adding my plantain in between is so that it could marry. It's beans and plantain, it has to like marry, like the taste has to like come in between each other. So yeah, that's like why I put it. And then I'm going to allow it to cook. And here my beans is ready. I love my beans soft, like soft. Imagine when you're trying to like cook ewa going, that's kind. So my beans is like fully soft. In the pot I'm going to pour in my red oil, then pour in my onions, add a pinch of salt, to my taste. Add a pinch of salt, stir. Then I'm going to pour in my tomatoes. Yeah, I love using tomatoes, I guess. Color or thereabouts, but it comes out very well. So yeah, I love using tomatoes. So I'm going to like fry it. So yeah, it's like all fried. Pour in my Maggi. Yeah, that's what I'm doing currently. Then I will be pouring in my garlic and ginger paste. I love this particular brand, but like it's scarce in the market currently. I don't know. Then my pepper mix. This pepper mix is just pepper, like red pepper, nothing added, just like red pepper here. So I'm going to like stir it, and fry it. Then I'm going to pour in my red oil mix to the beans. Then add my crayfish. Then I'm going to stir it. Then when I'm done stirring, I'm going to like bring it to a boil, just like stirring so it marries together, all the whole ingredients and thereabout. And at this stage you can also like test for to be sure the taste is okay. Like in case you want to add more ingredients or thereabout, you can like do it at this stage before you like bring it to a boil. Okay, so here my beans is well done. Oh my god, like this beans was it was so nice. It was so delicious. Thanks guys for watching, and please do well to try and also comment. Thank you.